Guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics, and in this video I am going to show you how to change the password of your Interactive Brokers account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change the password, you just simply have to open your Interactive Brokers into any of your browser. And after opening the browser, just simply log into your Interactive Brokers account. Then, after logging in, just simply tap to this hidden soldiers icon into here, and after tapping into there, you will get the settings option. Click into this setting option and go to settings. Now after going into settings, it will take a short time to process, and then you will get the change your password option into user settings. Simply click into change your password option, and after clicking into there, you have to enter your current password into the second box. Then after that, simply enter the new password into the third box, and after that repeat the same new password into the last box. But before changing the password, simply read the criteria that you have to follow before changing the password. Then after that, click to this continue button, then your new password will be saved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.